What's up, beautiful? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kat. This is my this is my channel. Got a little excited there. I asked on Instagram what video you guys wanted to see today, and you wanted to see a day in my life. So today is Sunday, August 22nd, I think. So be sure to follow me on Instagram so you can be a part of polls and questions about upcoming videos. And don't forget to subscribe. But today, my husband and I started our day with going to the plant nursery. We have had our eye on a lemon tree that we wanted. So let me roll the footage of us going to my favorite nursery. So if you're new here, you don't know that I have a plant obsession. Just a couple of them, I just have a couple. So we also stopped at Scout Coffee, which you also saw, which is my favorite coffee shop. I got a crustless quiche. This one is red pepper and sausage. I can eat almost the whole thing. So I'm coming up next week is my 1 year post VSG surgery anniversary. So this quiche is roughly about the size of what my stomach can hold. When I get to the last couple bites, I have to wait a little while before I eat them. And then I don't know where Brett set my coffee down, but I got oh, here it is, Irish cream latte with oat milk. Oat milk sits better on my stomach than cow milk. I don't know. I don't know how many calories it is. Probably not spectacular, but it's the weekend and I wanted a fancy coffee. So we love this Scout Coffee place. So let me show you what I got from the nursery. So this is actually kind of funny. I got 2 lemon lime items. So this is actually a lemon lime tree that should grow both. We did some research on these before purchasing one. I've got probably 50 plus houseplants, and getting a fruiting tree was kind of always on my list, but they can be fickle and they are not cheap. So I wanted to make sure I could handle this before I actually got one, but I have figured out Hoya's. That one I think was $60. That one, sorry. This guy was $40. And then I have his little friend over there who was also $40. I couldn't decide between the two, so I bought them both. And then I have also managed to figure out how to grow orchids correctly. So once I nailed those things, I thought, okay, lemon tree, fine. And then my husband saw the lemon lime tree, and that's what he wanted. So this is gonna be an indoor plant, except in the warmer months when it can be outside. And then I have also figured out calatheas, which can be very, very touchy. I have a red one over there and kind of the standard one right here. That was about 1/4 of the size, and that had like 3 leaves on it when I bought it. So I bought this one today. This one is a lemon lime. So this was $25. So I'm gonna figure out what pots these guys are gonna go in. I'm actually gonna go to another nursery with my mom today. Okay, so I just changed into my painting clothes. mini geography lesson. I live in Kansas City, right? Okay. Kansas City is a 5-county metro area consisting of cities and counties on both Kansas state line and Missouri state line. I've never said where in Kansas City I live, but no matter if you live in KCK or KCMO, this is Johnson County beige, okay? I hate it. So I have been slowly but surely painting the whole house this beautiful gray color. See there, you can see the difference between the gray and the beige. And I am going to attempt to finish painting part of that wall. Now, these ceilings, I don't know how tall they are. To the roof, maybe 15 feet. So I'm gonna try to get what I can with one ladder, and then Brett's gonna help me get the rest of it. So I have to, like, squeaky floors. I have to take most of the plants off the table, cover the table. This was my great grandmother's dining room table, cover it in plastic. And then I'm gonna start getting some of this situated. I have painted so many walls so far, and I'm so not close to being done. I am going to get everything situated and hopefully get up on that ladder and get some of it done right now. All right, I'm gonna go get the ladder. Everything I'm about to do not do what I'm doing. What I'm gonna do is not safe. Because I'm nuts. But what you should do is get all your paint supplies at the Dollar Tree. So all my drop cloths, all my paint brushes, the actual foam rollers. I got a nice handle, actually borrowed it from my parents. But the rollers and the brushes and everything else came from the Dollar Tree, so you can keep your costs low. Okay, so while I'm doing these edges, there's an identical one on the other side, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that one. I haven't done any of this hallway either, like any of the entranceway, because I don't know. Okay, let me know in the comments below if you know how to do this. How do I get to the top of that ceiling? I can't put a ladder on the stairs. Like, how do you paint that? Like, I know, okay, so here's the thing. Could I have done this without super tall ladders with the long extendable rollers? Yes, but you still have to cut in. So, like when we get to the gray here in a little bit, I'm gonna cut it in and then I'm gonna use the roller. But I don't know how to do the rest. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that little bar right here. I'm nuts and I feel like starting this wall, so. Okay, so since we're getting close to the time I need to leave for my parents' house, I am gonna stop for right now. I got a little bit done, just a little bit. And then I'm starting on this. This chunk has not been painted either. So we're gonna do that. And we're gonna go see my mom. And then I'm gonna come back. We're gonna put the first coat of gray on there, and then I wanna do the second coat of gray also, but now that the ladder is here, I could technically do it by myself without Brett, so we'll see. I have 1 can of gray left, so I hope it should be plenty. Should be plenty. So I'll catch up with you. So mom owed me $90, so I ended up only spending 15 bucks. Ooh, it's warm. Okay, so I got soil, tomato fertilizer, citrus tree fertilizer, 2 stakes for the tomato plants, and 2 stakes for the monsteras. So sorry, there's a lot of air conditioning. Okay, so we ended up in downtown Lee Summit. Hi, ma'am. Hi. There are a bunch of small businesses over here we wanted to check out, so.
Really cute.
This is so cute. We don't even know what it is. And then there's this really cool mural. I should have Liz bring me down here and do a photo shoot.
Yeah.
We wanted to go into this store, but it's closed. We stopped at 3rd Street Social to pick up dinner, so. I was gone. Some things happened. And I'm gonna show you what I got while we were shopping because I did not film all of that. But Brett painted most of the rest of this wall. He didn't get this spot all the way up there, you see over there. But he did like 90% of this wall for me, which was so very kind of him. So I don't know where my tripod went. It has magically disappeared. So let me set you up right here. So we went to quite a few places, and I showed you some stuff earlier that I left downstairs. I got fertilizer for our new citrus tree, fertilizer for our tomatoes, and my favorite potting soil, and that stuff's all downstairs. I also got 2 tomato stakes, also left those downstairs. I got 2 large moss poles for 2 of my monsteras. I had 1 already, and I've got 2 big monsteras left that don't have moss poles, so now they do. I got a little cilantro plant, which I'm gonna hopefully keep alive, and I got some leca. If you're not familiar with plants and you don't know what this is, it is it's a potting soil alternative, essentially. I've never tried it, but I've heard really great things. I wanted to try this out, so we're gonna give it a shot. On to the more exciting stuff. There was a Kansas City creative kind of space where a bunch of different booths were. So there was a honey little store, so I got some honeycomb. I also got Brett some pecan, or not pecan, candied pecans. This is creamed honey from the same little place. And then, yeah, the honey place also had these beeswax and raw honey lip balm. So I got the coconut rum flavor. This stuff feels amazing. I'm so happy with that. And it supported a small business. Another small business we went to was this little hand-poured candle place, and I got the Lily of the Valley candle. This was a little expensive. It was $26 for this, and it's pretty small for 11 ounces, so holy crap, it smells good. I'll let you guys know how it burns, but I'm gonna be doing a lot of black accents throughout the house because of our black appliances and our black countertops, so I'm starting to pick up things like that, but I just thought this was really cool. And this is also one of those places where you can have like a party and you can pour your own candles and stuff, so excited to support them. I don't know if I got a shot of this or not, but we went to the Heavenly Oils place, and I got some butter infused olive oil. Tastes amazing. I also got wild mushroom and sage olive oil. That stuff is delicious. Okay, the one thing you're probably most looking forward to, I don't know if you saw that, was Victoria's Secret. I haven't bought anything there in a really long time. They had some stuff on sale, and I found this sweatshirt on sale. You guys know I live in sweatshirts. It was too soft for me to leave behind, and it was half off. It was $20. It's just an oversized sweatshirt. I live in these things. It's so comfortable. It's so soft. I cannot wait to put this on later tonight. I'm gonna wear this to bed. Really pumped about that. And then we went to Tuesday morning. This is kind of like, they're kind of like Home Goods. They had some quote-unquote summer stuff on sale, so I got this tomato and cilantro growing kit. Most seeds like this can last for actual years, so I'm just gonna put this in my pile of things to grow for next year. I got some chocolate coconut macaroon syrup to try. I am always looking for these fuzzy socks that are like knitted on the outside but Sherpa on the inside. So these were like $6. $6. Happy with that. Oh boy. I think one of my soaps got open a little bit. Oh Lord. Oh, it's sticky. Oh boy. Okay, well I got 2 soaps and one of them decided to open up a little bit. This is my favorite hand soap brand. The foam is just so nice. It's Michael Designs. Michael Design Works, and I got sweet almond and oatmeal honey. So there's your mini haul. I am gonna try to get the first coat of gray on this wall now up here, the first wall we started on. It has been a long day, you guys. I did not plan on today going the way it did. I thought I was gonna like be at home painting all day. I even had like some stuff upstairs laid up for Poshmark to take photos of, and that definitely didn't happen. I will come back. We've got the first coat of gray on this wall. The first coat of gray is done. It doesn't look any different. And I have started cutting in this wall. So you can see like the gray border. So I've got the roller out and I'm gonna try to roll part of that, and then I'm hoping I can get part of this done over here. The second coat done. We'll see. I think it's like 8 o'clock. All right, you guys, so I've yet to finish the other room, but I did want to show you the final product. Yay, a gray wall, but I think it looks really good. I also put a new runner on the table and redid the arrangements, but good morning, Noodle. I also finished those walls up there and this little ledge here, so yeah. All right, everybody. I am freshly showered in my new sweatshirt, which looks even more like my one from IMG now that I'm looking at both of them together. But I don't care because I love that sweatshirt and I love this sweatshirt and it's really soft and I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, so today did not go as I thought it would go. I thought I'd be at home most of the day painting, and we ended up doing a lot of other fun stuff. I had a great time with my mom, and you know I love to shop. So it is 9:16. Time for me to wind down and start thinking about what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. And I will catch up with you guys in another video. I hope you enjoyed this day in my life. Be sure to subscribe for more and click the like button if you like this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, Warrior Crew. Bye.